The Aula Hero 68, he presents itself as a specialized input device engineered for demanding users. Positioned as a high-performance peripheral, this mechanical keyboard integrates advanced technology designed to meet the rigorous standards of competitive gaming and esports. At its core, the Aula Hero 68, he utilizes magnetic switches, a key innovation enabling exceptional precision and control. This magnetic switch technology facilitates a rapid trigger function, allowing for instantaneous key actuation and reset, which can be critical in fast-paced scenarios. Further enhancing its responsiveness, the keyboard boasts an 8K return polling rate, ensuring that every